Wow, friends, nature is beautiful. Nature is great. Nature is blessed with such an amazing kind of beauty. The tabby cat. This is an awesome looking animal. Cute animal. Beautiful animal. This cat has an incredible body fitness due to her smart body physique and the fitness. I love animals like that in nature and beauty. This is one of the most relaxing animals in nature. This cat has a very soft, relaxing skin, body, legs, arms, nose, everything is perfect about this cute cat. Come. I think she is getting slept. She is going to be slept now.